Hi everybody, it's Ann Anderson with Edina Realty, and today is, I think it's July 2nd. We have the 4th of July holiday coming up, and we are really excited about our new listing here in Pete Miller Farms in Stillwater. This property is 3333 Pete Miller Lane North, and it is so beautiful. As you can see, it is really classic, kind of a classic design. It's been totally freshly painted, and we're just doing exterior pictures today because we're bringing it on as a coming soon listing tomorrow. They're getting new carpet and a few things next week, so it'll be coming live next week, probably later in the week, but just wanted to let you know that we've got a really great listing here coming on, and that again, activity is strong in the marketplace. So usually in a typical market it might slow down around the 4th for a little bit, but nope, we're going strong. So just wanted to let you know that, and wish you all a very happy 4th of July, and I hope everybody can find something to do in the heat to stay cool, and we'll see you next week.